Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and made a video of our Christmas adventures for the past 5 days or so. It's a little long and I do apologize for the length. For selfish reasons, I didn't want to cut too much out of it because I wanted to share it with my family and have the memories for myself as well. So it's a little long. I understand if you don't make it all the way through, but at the end I do show some organizing things that my mom does, so do stick around for some of the fun things we got to see. So on the way to see my mom, we always pass this giant gas station called Buc-ee's. And Texas has a few of these, and they're like the biggest gas stations. And I wish that the camera would show just how big this place is. It blows my mind every time we stop. And this time, I noticed they had a lot more product inside the store than they have previously. The only reason we stopped here was to get gas, use the bathroom, and of course, hit the jerky counter. They have so many types of jerkies, and the ones in the packs aren't as good, so we always like to go to the fresh counter. My camera shooting for this is a little shaky. I'm holding my daughter for most of it, but I'm going to try my best to show you as much as I can. It's a little long, and we didn't even walk the entire store because I just felt like it was too much footage. But check it out and let me know if you have ever seen a gas station like this before. My daughter was amazed by everything.
The Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland is the time of year. My winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Again, this counter is the #1 reason why we stopped here. My mom and my brother always stop at Buc-ee's and they always bring us beef jerky. And we've never personally stopped to do it ourselves, so we wanted to check it out and see what all they had. And as I was going through the jerky thing, I just noticed they have a giant fudge bar. Like, fudge, fresh fudge. I was so blown away, and their decor inside was amazing. And for anyone that truly knows me, knows that this lemon display had me to the moon. I'm obsessed with lemon decor, lemon towels, anything. Like, I love the lemon stuff, so I was so stoked to see that. They have giant signs all along the entire store wall. They had essential oil things, candles, pictures, just decor out the wahoo, and I was just blown away how much they fit into this store.
Still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I've built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near
Did you just drive? You just drive far?
You know where your mom is.
What you got?
I said, yeah, she's at work.
What you got?
He said, is there any
What
way
you
we can
got?
go until she gets home? And I was like,
So I'm so excited to show you guys. Over the Thanksgiving holiday, my mom and I made a bunch of DIY Christmas ornaments, and next year I'm going to make the same ones for my tree because I love the way the tree turned out. We did Scrabble holiday words, we did reindeers out of burlap and candy canes, and we also did some popsicle sleighs. We did tea light candles, snowman heads, and a few other things. I can't remember all the stuff we did, but it turned out so good. My mom decorated it all by herself. I just helped with the ornaments, and I loved the way it turned out. The camera just does not do that tree justice. It was so beautiful when we walked in. So the lighting was really dark when I was trying to film her snowman snow globe setup, and I decided I was going to do it in the next morning, but my daughter ended up breaking this, so I didn't get a chance to actually get good footage of it, but it turned out so good. So now we're headed downtown to Grapevine to do family pictures with the little and my mom. So Grapevine has the cutest little Christmas setup, and I wish it wasn't so busy down there, and I wish it could have came at night, but it got real cold at night, so we couldn't come when everything was lit up. But it was real busy, so I tried to get as good of footage as I could. But they had some of the cutest things, and these little snowmen are awesome.
On the ground that makes everything Christmassy here in Grapevine.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. All the happy smiles and the wishes.
They had this really adorable Whoville set up in the middle of, I don't know, the town. And all these kids got to play with all the houses and the characters and the sleighs. It was the cutest thing to watch all the kids run around and play. They were so excited for the child-sized Grinch themed thing. I guess it's a big thing now that the new Grinch came out. The kids were obsessed with it. And we got some really cool pictures here. And it was just a cute little setup. I was so excited to see it.
Alright, these holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Well, that was downtown Grapevine, and now we're gonna go get some Mexican tacos.
For Christmas, it's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving in blue. Did you hear something?
Yay!
I will keep you warm as soon as you
Yay! Where you going, little? I'm on the move. Uh-oh. Ooh, was that a long walk?
This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
So this is the Gaylord Texan Resort. It's a giant hotel, and when I say giant, we didn't even walk the whole thing. We walked the majority of it. But the size is just Texas sized, I guess. My daughter was overwhelmingly obsessed with the trains. And over the holiday, I started to realize that she has a thing for trains now, which I think is really cool. Since she's a girl, like, who would have thought she would have liked trains? But she was super obsessed with every train setup around the entire hotel. And they had all these really cute signs that said different things about different displays. And as I was reading them, when I walked through, I realized that we were in kind of like a greenhouse. It's a green initiative. All the plants inside are real. And they even have little cards to tell you what kind of plants they are, like how they survive, and so on and so forth. And I learned, I was also very hot in a sweater, I learned that it was 75 degrees in there all year round, which is why we were kind of warm. Plus all the people, it was very, very busy. But my daughter loved every minute of this entire day.
Onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
Did you find the fishies, baby? Did you find the fishies?
Eight pair of antlers, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer.
This gingerbread house, or mansion I should say, is real. It's like 100% real candy, real crackers, icing, everything. I thought it was amazing. It was so immaculately done. I was just blown away with its size and all the details they put into it. It was awesome. And my daughter, of course, had to sit here and watch the trains because she absolutely loved them. We ended up walking down some stairs, and they have the bottom half of the hotel set up kind of like the San Antonio Riverwalk, and it was really, really pretty.
Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh,
We actually went out to dinner to Oca Bucks Brewery and Steakhouse after the Gaylord, and it was just as gorgeous inside. I'm just so amazed with how beautiful Grapevine, Texas is.
So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
So Christmas morning came, and it was quite funny because pretty much all weekend we'd been opening like a gift a night because my mom can't hold a secret and she likes to share. So we really didn't have much to open on Christmas morning because my mom was being funny and just making us open presents all weekend. I loved it. It was quite hilarious. It's kind of like Hanukkah but shorter. So I forgot to mention too, my mom bought Tennyson that cute little tree in the background, and she was hoping it would kind of deter her from wanting to take stuff off the tree, and it really did work. So if you have little ones and you want to use that idea, definitely think it's a good one because it worked really well to keep Tennyson away from it. Plus it just was the cutest thing, and I think that's where the train obsession came from because the tree came with a train. But when we got there, my mom had some unopened gifts for Tennyson underneath her cute little tree, and Tennyson was obsessed all weekend with everything that came with that tree. I know this must seem weird that we're using a flashlight on a necklace, but my mom bought me this necklace that when you shine the light through it, it shows on the wall the words "I love you" in 100 different languages, and it was honestly the sweetest thing, and I'm super excited to have it.
Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, 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 I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
So since this is a cleaning and organizing and DIY channel, I figured I would go ahead and throw in some organizing things that I noticed at my mom's house when we went to go. She is an organizing genius in my mind. She has all of her shoes individually in these Dollar Tree bins with labels to say what exactly shoe is in there. It was amazing to look at. It was like organizing heaven in her closet. Like, I loved being in there. And then in her bathroom, she uses Dollar Tree bins in ways that I never thought to use them, like putting your nail polishes into baskets and hanging them on the insides of your doors for easy access and easy color find. It was so cool to see. I want to try doing that for myself. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. I sure had a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys next time. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and stick around for some more videos. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you soon.